everybody! This is Miss Van Loan, and I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick classroom tour. Now, I know everybody went through their orientation, and everyone should be going through the Passport to Canvas. Make sure you do that before you get to move on in this class. You should have already done that, and you should be done with it. But if you haven't finished your Passport to Canvas, go out of this classroom, go to courses, click on the Passport to Canvas course, and finish that course first, because that's going to make sure you know how to do everything you need to do. But now that you're done with that, let's take a quick classroom tour of graphic design. So when you log into graphic design, this is what your class will look like. And this is the home page. And live sessions for us are Fridays at 1 p.m. Your course expectations are here, and how to contact me, all my information is at this link. So those are probably the two most important links on the home page, and make sure you write down, scratch that. You don't need to write anything down. During the first week after our Remind gets set up, I will send you a text message with my Remind number. You will get a personalized number that if you text that number, it will send it to my Remind app, and then I know that you're trying to get a hold of me. So you don't even need to worry about writing down my contact information in case you lose internet or anything like that. You will have it all in your phone and you can text me. So if this is by week 2 and you still haven't had an update on Remind and you don't have the phone number, talk to me so that we can make sure you get that number, okay? Just in case anything happens, internet is out, etc., etc. All right, let's go back to home. When you log in and you go to courses and you go to this course, if you see a little blue number next to announcements, hey, guess what? That means there's an announcement from me and you need to read it. So click announcements, and then you'll see that there is an announcement. I know, normally you'd think you could click just about anywhere, but you can't. You got to click right on the title, and then you can read the announcement. This one is talking about how we will be using Photoshop and Illustrator this year. So you need to make sure that you have a computer that is capable of running those programs. A Chromebook, like an actual Chromebook, is not going to be enough. But if you have another kind of laptop, you should be good to go. Either way, it's a good idea to just email me and let me know what kind of computer you're using. Don't run out and buy anything. If you need a computer that is a little bit beefier in order to run these Adobe programs, we can get you a computer through the school that you can check out for 1 year so that you can run these programs, okay? I don't want you to have to buy anything. Please don't go buy Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. We will be licensing them through the school so that you can download them for free. We will not even be using them until October, and that's when we'll be using Illustrator. So we have plenty of time to figure this all out. No need to freak out. I will walk you through every step of the way. All right, now that we've checked our announcements, the next place we're going to go is modules. And you will always go to modules. That's the place to go to when you are working through the course. So during week 1, you should be working through the modules. Most of these you'll be working through module 0. Most of these you just have to view, but you do need to take this acknowledgement quiz for my course, and then you'll enter the Tier 2 orientation. Dun, dun, dun. That is where you will be working on things that are relevant to this class and practicing some of the technology that you will be using in this class throughout the entire year. So the first thing is you will look at the pacing guide, you'll post a meme in a discussion, you'll submit a Google document for hopes and goals for my class, and then you'll submit a text entry box for I wish my teacher knew, and then you'll do a video introduction using Flipgrid. And in the video introduction, I already have one posted. So You can scroll down and there I am. You can go ahead and watch that, and then you can record your own response. That'll be super fun. Okay, let me go back to modules. There will be one more page in here, and that will be the page on which you are watching this course tour, this classroom tour. So that should be right here after the pacing guide. All right, after you are done with this module, you get to close it by clicking the little triangle, and then you can enter your next module, which is Design Fundamentals 1A. And again, just start at the beginning and work your way through. There will be specific due dates, and those you can find in the announcements that I post every Monday, as well as on the assignment page itself. All right, your grades tab is next. And in the grades tab, it will have all of your assignments and the due date, the status, showing if you turned it in or not, the score, if I have graded it or not. And there is something to note here. If you have a 50%, so let's say you turn in this AI.02, Get to Know Illustrator, and you turned it in after the due date, you will have a minimum F score of 4. But let's say you turned it in. Why is it still showing that you have a minimum F of 4? That's because you turned it in late, and I have yet to grade it. So hang tight, I will grade it, but it will continue to show a minimum F if you turn it in late until I get to go in there and actually grade it, okay? So don't freak out, that's just how it shows up. And then there'll also be a little button here with comments. Super, super important that you check your comments for me, because oftentimes I will give you very important feedback on your assignment. So check your comments. The rubric will also show here, and something else. I can't remember what it is, but we will go over that in a live session. No need to worry. Okay, next, Adobe Connect. This is where you go to your live sessions, and I am going to have to exit Student View to show you what this page looks like. All right, once this page loads, you will see that we have a meeting room named Graphic Design 1, and you can just click the join button to join that live session, okay? This is where we will have our meetings, and it will probably ask you if you want to open Adobe Connect, the app, or if you want to use it in the browser. I prefer using the app, it runs a little bit better. All right, I'm going to exit out of here. We are good on that. And let me go back into Student View so I can show you exactly how you see the class. And for now, that's all you need to know. We made it. We're good to go. All right. Talk to you later. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, and our first live session is this Friday. Okay, so I will see you this Friday at 1:00 p.m. in the meeting room that I just showed you. See you later, guys.